local community league not too far from where I live reached out about a senior citizen who needs a hand with her snowblower. She can't get it started. She was asking for somebody to maybe pick it up and take it to a repair shop that's not too far from where I live. So I reached out and said, well, I'll pick it up and get it going for her. So I'm just on my way to grab it. I'm going to turn the camera around here so you can see why it's important right now that her snowblower is going. And this is why she needs her snowblower. We've been socked with a bunch of snow. Nasty. Wowee, look at this machine. Ariens 824E. This thing's like brand new. I think it's actually a few years old, but it's in fantastic shape. Got the standard issue Tecumseh HSSK 50 Snow King. We're pretty familiar with these. I don't think this is going to take much to get going, and it's electric start, which is going to be a lot easier on my back. Let's get after it. First things first, we got spark. We got good spark. Doesn't seem like we're getting fuel to it. Fuel coming out the bottom. Back to you as soon as I've got this cover off. Our fuel leak is coming from here. This hose is torn. That's our bowl vent. I don't think that's our problem, but it's a problem. That's it. Kind of working in a mess today because I don't have an abundance of time, but it's the way it goes sometimes. Not too bad. Oh, spoke too soon. These have the plastic guts in there, they're hard to get out. I think I've just found our culprit. That is all full of crud. Give this a spin on the wire brush. We are back together. Gonna go stick this on and see what happens. Got fuel coming out already.
Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the bill man will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night on out a train, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach.
All right. Time to clear some snow. My dear new friend requested that I put together a bit of a how to start and operate one of these Tecumseh Snow King powered Ariens 824E snowblowers, but I didn't actually take any video footage of me testing it out. So we're just gonna go through here and look at the engine and its controls, and then the controls of the blower. One thing that was interesting on her particular unit is that the control decal was applied upside down, which makes things kind of confusing. Well, it is time to head off and drop the snowblower back at my new friend's place. I think she'll be pretty pleased with it. And since we're going right by on the way back, or maybe the way there, we're going to stop off at Backroads Reclamations, which is run by a super awesome guy, Jay Sanderson. I'm going to bring him some of this old, this is 100-year-old plus pig barn wood, and just some other wood that we bought for other things that never came to be. So just gonna give that to him, see if he wants to make something out of it, and should be a good trip. Poor wee beastie. She's got some issues. She's throwing catalytic converter codes and running like junk. I think needs coil packs probably. In a pretty bad way. They're on order from Rock Auto. They cannot come fast enough. Well, hopefully we'll make it. Forgot to mention too that Jay has a really sweet 50s Dodge big farm truck with a grain box on it, and I sure wouldn't mind getting my fingers into that thing and get that running maybe in the spring. So maybe we'll get to check that out too. Alright, snowblower is dropped off, and the owner was very happy. She, in fact, just basically we fired it up and she started clearing the snow, and I'm not sure she's that experienced with using it, but she'll be alright, and I had to hightail it out of there so that she could clear her snow. So yeah, it feels awesome to be able to give back to a member of the community like that and just help out. That's, you know, can use my skills to do that. So just like others have helped me, just returning the favor. So let's head off and visit Jay. So there's me completely forgetting to take out the phone and do any kind of video or pictures while I was at Jay's place. But man, does he ever have cool stuff, cool wood, amazing. You know, you're just not going to find that at Home Depot. Like, it's just not happening. So I will include a link to his webpage and his Instagram. Definitely check it out. And if you're in the area, or even not, if some kind of reclaimed wood, furniture, anything like that, definitely check him out. Great guy, and that is doing big things with that business. It's awesome. Do check it out.
That hope on fire.